So next we have Levi-Civita symbol. It's like Kronecker delta, that is Levi-Civita symbol, that is like EIJK. I can write it like that. So the definition of this Levi-Civita symbol is EIJK, that is equals to, here are the conditions, that 1, if we have I, J and K is a cyclic permutation, you can say, of 1, 2, 3, and that is -1 if I, J and K are, you can say, anti-cyclic permutation of 1, 2, 3, and 0 if we have any two I, J, K are equal. So this is the basic definition of Levi-Civita symbol, that the value of EIJK, that is equals to 1 if we have IJK are in cyclic manner or in is an cyclic permutation, and -1 if IJK are anti-cyclic permutation, and 0 if any two IJK are equal. So this is the basic definition. So that means here we take some, that means this is some, you can say, cyclic manner, that if this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and if this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, so that means this is an anti-cyclic, and this is, so if I have 1, 2, 3, like in cyclic manner, we have the value of EIJK is 1, but if it is anti-cyclic, then the value is -1. Taking the example that if I have E 1, 2, 3, that means 1, 2 and 3 in cyclic manner, and also you can say that 2, 3, 1, this is also cyclic manner, and 3, 1, 2. So that means these all cases are equals to 1. Further is if I have E3, 2, 1, like 3, 2, 1. So this is anti-cyclic, this is equals to -1, and also you can say E2, 1, 3 is also equals to -1, and also you can say E1, 3, 2. So this is also -1. These are all anti-cyclic. And further is if I have E, you can say that 2, 2, 3, E1, 1, 3, E1, 3, 1, or E3, 1, 3. So all these results are 0. There are more results here. So this is the basic definition of Levi-Civita symbol, or you can say the alternating symbol, and that is in the form of EIJK. So this is the definition of Levi-Civita symbol. Now further is I am going to prove some relation between the alternating symbol or Levi-Civita symbol and the Kronecker delta, which we studied earlier. So the theorem here is